Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting to the hotspot controls quickly. Unlock your Android and make sure you're not in battery saver mode because settings can hide. Open Settings, then tap Network and Internet or Connections depending on your phone. Once there, select Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot to reveal the list of hotspot options. This step puts you exactly where the password lives. It prevents accidental changes to other network settings and prepares you for editing the credentials safely. Once inside the Hotspot section, tap Mobile Hotspot and then Configure, Set up Hotspot or Edit. You'll see the network name, SSID, and password fields. Change the name if you want a clearer identifier on other devices. For the password, enter a strong passphrase, at least 8 characters, mixing letters and numbers for better security. Make sure you save or tap Apply, otherwise the change won't take effect. After saving, the hotspot will start broadcasting the new SSID or require rejoining with the new password. You're nearly done. Toggle the hotspot off and then on to force the phone to broadcast the updated credentials. Now, reconnect a laptop or another phone using the new password to confirm it works. If the device fails to connect, make sure you entered the password correctly and that the hotspot's security type is supported. If problems persist, restart your phone or use a network settings reset. This clears cached network data but keeps personal files. That single restart often fixes lingering connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.